Hello guys, such type of blue screen stop error code will appear on your screen, and this error code is called Windows Stop Code APC Index Mismatch blue screen error in Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code and you are unable to start your Windows in normal boot into safe mode your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. To go to safe mode, at first press and hold power button and repeat this process 3 to 4 times continuous to preparing automatic preparing mode. Diagnosing your Windows will appear and a blue screen will appear automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly, so you should click on advanced option. Here click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option and startup settings. Here click on restart button and you will find various types of options, and here you should choose the option number 4, enable safe mode. Now your Windows will boot in safe mode. Here we will show you, and the first workaround is disable RealTech SD audio manager. For this start go to the task manager. Task manager window will appear. Here go to the startup tab from the top menu bar and find out the option RealTech HD audio. RealTech HD audio's universal or manager will find. Right click on it and choose the option disable. And the second workaround is install Windows latest updates. Go to start button, choose settings, and from the left pane choose Windows update. Thereafter go to the right side and here you will find the all available pending updates. Click on download button. If you not found available updates, click on check for updates and download and install Windows latest update. The third workaround is update device driver. For this, right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager windows will appear, and here you will find all problematic device driver and right click on it, choose update driver. Click search automatically and Windows will install it, update it. If already installed, click on update and Windows will direct you to Windows update section, here from where you can also download updates from here. And the fourth workaround is remove recently installed program. Go to Windows search, type control panel and open control panel. Here from the available list choose programs and features, and here you will find the list of all your installed apps. Recently install app, uninstall it. That's all.